Hello everyone. So in today's tutorial I will be sharing with you how to create a basketball sports poster design absolutely 100% totally in Canva. So let's start with it. So before starting I will request all of you to please subscribe to the channel so that we can bring you new and exciting tutorials for absolutely free in our channel. So let's start with it. So we will be choosing Instagram post as our canvas. I'll just zoom a bit so that you can check out the tutorial in a better way. So in the elements I will share with you what are the elements which I will be using. So these 4 elements which I will require, some you will find in the elements page and some I will take from the photos page. Okay, so let's start with it. So first I will use this one for the background. So as you can see is the blue and dark gradient texture and wall background. So you can directly search it in here as gradient, or you can directly type in this whole keyword and just search it and get your image. And as you can see it is absolutely free to use. So I will just right click it and set image as background, and I will do no change here. Okay, so next I will be requiring the main character here. So for that I will use this image, which is a pro image. So if you have a pro account you can use it. If you don't have, you can directly choose any other image and use it accordingly. So next I will go to edit image and use background remover. So it is a pro feature again. So if you don't have this background remover icon, if you have a free account, so you can directly go to photopea.com. I will link it in the description and use it to remove the background. For my example I am using background remover. And as you can see it has done the work perfectly. So you have before doing anything you have to keep it in mind to shorten the scale here, because if the scale remains according to this length, if we stretch the image it will directly go to background, and we can't use this texture gradient one. So we have to shorten this one, even shorten this one also. Okay, so let's now make this bigger. Okay, so now I will just work on some adjustments. So we will go to see all, increase the brightness, increase the contrast. Okay, so it is done. Now we will take the second element here, which is, as you can see, abstract halftone elements. It is also free, and you can find it in halftone element section. As you can see the keywords here mentioned halftone element or halftone gradient. You can choose this keyword and use it for your own purpose. So I will choose this, and the main thing here it is you have to change the color from black to white. Okay, so I will bring it right here. Just rotate a bit and increase the slightly, keep it right here, and next I will just duplicate it and bring it right here. I will flip it and paste it here. Okay, so for now we will next change the do some changes in the character. So I will go to shadows and I will create a drop shadow. So I will work on the drop shadow a bit. You can increase or decrease this offset according to your requirement. So that it can create a 3D effect, like a pop-out effect. And just increase the blur a bit. Okay, so click on apply. Okay, so now we will come to the text part, and we click on heading. We'll write here stand tall, talk small, play ball. Okay, so I will change it, the font to Leaf Gothic. Okay, and now for the effects, I will go here and will change it to curve. I will increase and decrease to check how it looks. So this is the 100% side. Let's increase the letter spacing a bit. Now we'll go to side change a bit, and I will put it right here, and I will put it in such a way so that the hand pops out. And now we'll work on this effects. Make it a bit spacious here, rotate it, make it a bit smaller. And now I will remove the full stop here. Okay, so this is done, and now we will add the last element for this work, this design, which is the basket. Because if you are using a basketball, so a basket is of course required. So we have to check it if it is in the eyesight of the basketball player. Here you will keep it. Okay, let's just increase the brightness a bit so that it looks proper. Okay, so this is the tutorial. I hope you liked the tutorial, and please subscribe to the channel for our latest updates. And till then, check out our 2 new tutorials which are displayed right here. Thank you.